percent and decimal. Okay? If you look at the board over there, what is an easy rule we can write relating the two things? Is it easy to talk about fraction to percent or fraction to decimal? Or maybe let's look at the relationship between decimal and percent. Okay? Or maybe it's better to write it like, I know, sorry guys, suddenly I got tired. Okay, before we do the general case, let's look at the nice cases first. You have 25 over 100 is a fraction as well, right? 25 over 100 became, and this is the percent, became 25%. I want you to look at these two guys, the percent and the decimal columns, okay? 25% became 0.25. Do you have an aha that tells you, oh, it's very easy. If she gives me a percent, I can easily change it to a decimal. Can anybody tell me how to change a percent to a decimal? 25% just became 0.25. 4% just became 0.04. It's just about moving the decimal point how many? Twice. I heard backwards, right? Okay. 2 to the where? To the right. To the left. Oh. To percent. Percent to decimal. You move it to the left, right? Okay, and then what happened to the percent symbol? Is it still there? Yes. No. Okay, so let's write that rule. Sorry, kids, follow me. So percent to decimal, you do two things, right? You move the decimal point. How many? 2 places. Left. Is that okay? Just do that, all right? And then drop the percent symbol. Okay, let's just do some quick examples. If you have 16%, then that's nothing but what? 0.16. 0.16. Okay? If you have, let's say, 9%, that's going to be what? 0.09. 0.09. Can I do this? Ready? Can I have 112%?
Sure. Yeah. Sure.
What is 112%? Just follow the rule. Is that 1.12? Is that clear, guys?
Yes.
You're just following the rule, right? You said move the decimal point 2 places to the left and drop the percent symbol. Can I do this to you? Can I have a 0.1%?
Yes.
What is 0.1%?
0.001.
Just follow the rule, right? Which is move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So the answer will be 0.001 without the percent. Did you guys understand?
I can't see.
Even if you put 0.00516, it's still 2 points.
Always 2 places to the left. Okay?
Cool.
0.001. Oh, that's
So 0.1% will just be 0.001. Clear?
Yes.
Okay? I could have given you a 0.0579%. And how much is that going to be without the percent symbol?
5.78.
0.00.
0. How many zeros do I need before the 5?
It's just gonna.
another one. No, another, what?
3. You don't have to suffer.
0.030.
Why do I always say you don't have to suffer? You can just put this, right? Okay? So you see that one? 0.000579. Do you guys get it already? So you know how to change from percent to decimal, right? What have I been telling you about math? If you know how to do it going one way, you have to know how to do it what? Going the other way. What's the other way?
Decimal to percent.
Decimal to percent.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, slow down, slow down. Now, if I have the other way, which is I gave you the decimal, how do you convert it to a percent? So we will just undo those, right? Now you move the decimal point where?
2 places to the right.
Okay, to the right. Decimal point, 2 places to the right. Sorry, I'll just abbreviate. Right. Okay?
Drop
Now, do you drop?
No.
You need to make it look like a percent, so you have to put or add. Is it okay to use the word add?
Yes.
Add the percent symbol. So now I have a pure decimal, no percent, right? Let's practice, okay? So if I have 0.25, that is simply what?
25%.
25%.
I get it.
Get it? So if I have 0.40, that's what?
40%.
40%. If I have 0.8, what is that?
80%.
You getting it already? 80%.
Got it.
Alright.
Right? If I have, let's say, 1.3, what is that?
130%.
You get it?
Yes.
2 to the right, right? 130%. Okay? You need more?
270.
If you have 75, what is that?
75%.
75, 100%.
If you have 75, what is
It's
it?
75%, stays the same. Ooh.
Where is the decimal point in 75?
After, so 7,500.
So it's 7,500%.
So wherever
Alright,
you're
so-
meeting.
Wherever the decimal point is, you want to make it into a percent, you just move that guy. So the decimal point here is here, right? It's understood here. Move it to the right twice, so you need 2 zeros. Put the percent. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay? So decimal to percent is to the right, percent to decimal is to the left. Okay?